So hello friends, welcome to this Mac Gamer channel. In today's video I have brought to you the easiest solution to how to change plans on Spotify. Alright, Spotify is a major music platform and in today's world every one of us has some or the other technical issues. Alright, so with Spotify, if you are having any queries about how to change plans on Spotify, and you must be having queries about that it is not getting switched in the mobile app, there is an easy solution to this. Alright, what you have to do, you have to just watch this video from start to end so that you don't miss any steps. The steps are easy, you just have to follow me. Alright, so before starting the video, I'll just let you guys know that in this channel we do make many content related to any technical queries, concerns, and with fact checked. Only the working solutions. I try it in front of you and get it checked. So just hit that subscribe button and like the video. And also after the video or right now, you can visit our website, which is macgamer.com. In the description, the website has this solution in text format. So you don't have to, come back to the video again and again. You could just visit the website and watch the video again. So let's start today's video. So friends, as you can see on the screen, this is a Spotify app. Alright, we go into the Spotify. This is a Spotify app. And as we go on the premium option, which is just mentioned in the bottom line of this app interface, which is premium, the second last option, we click onto the premium. And after clicking the premium, they have mentioned specifically, you can't upgrade to premium in the app. We know it's not ideal. So we can't change or upgrade in the app. So what we will do? We will just close Spotify, not entirely close, but just, get the app at its place, and we will go onto any of the browser. In our case, we will go onto Safari and type open Spotify. Alright, we will type this, same to same. Alright guys, so just repeat the steps with me. So we will type open Spotify and tap on the second link, which is Spotify, openspotify.com. We will click on Spotify link. After we click on the Spotify link, we need to make sure that we log in to the web page of the Spotify. So we will just simply log in into this page. Whatever your option is with Google, Facebook, Apple or phone number, we will just log in. So here it is. We have logged into the web page of the Spotify. Alright. And now here comes the steps, the main important steps on how to change your plans. We will go on to the settings, which is just at the top right corner. Alright, this settings button. We will click on settings. So here it is. After clicking onto the settings, we will go on the premium option. There is one option which is premium, just above support option. There is premium listed. We will click on premium. Alright, and after clicking on the premium, we will be heading to the premium page. And here we will see that there is nothing mentioned as we can't do through this web page. We can do from this web page, just not from the app itself. So this is the premium. Make sure that you have subscribed to any of the premium plans. If you have subscribed to any of the premium plans, then you will get the option to change the plan. Like here. See, here it is, one-time payment, get premium individual, like this. So you will just click onto any of the plans and get it changed. That's it. So here it is guys. This was a simple fix to your problem. Now you know how to change plans in Spotify, right? Not from the app, but going onto the web page and how to navigate. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video, because in future you will definitely be needing this Mac Gamer channel for all your technical queries and concerns. And also please visit our website macgamer.com. You will definitely love it. Alright, bye-bye. We'll meet soon.